Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is our window cleaner Squeegee. This 12 inches Squeegee included for glass window or any other smooth surface. Squeegee is made of soft, natural and long-lasting rubber. So when using it, it will not leave marks and scruffs on the window. The other one is an 11 inches microfiber pad which has super water absorption, super decontamination feature for washing many times. Also, the microfiber pad of the window Squeegee has strong Velcro and it will not fall off from the T-bar. Press the yellow button on the Squeegee window cleaner to change the position, 7 angles, of the window Squeegee or microfiber scrubber and tightly lock in them, enabling you to clean right up to the width of the glass and the curved edge. It is an ideal cleaning tool for cleaning the odd-shaped windows. Meet various height requirements for you to clean the truck and window. When you don't use the window Squeegee, you can disassemble it and store it. The microfiber pad of long-handled Squeegee can be taken off, support both hand wash and machinable wash. 2 microfiber pads included. The household Squeegee's extension pole, made of strong and durable stainless steel, has nice balance of weight versus strength. This Squeegee window cleaner is made of natural soft rubber and high quality sponge, which can better clean the dirt on the window without damaging the glass surface. Effectively scrub and scrape high and low windows. With 4 section of extension poles, a long telescopic pole reaches tall, second floor, and outside windows. Our second best window Squeegee is Unger's stainless steel window and glass Squeegee. Unger's professional 12-inch stainless steel Squeegee features an ergonomic design preferred by professional window cleaners. The 12-inch, heavy-duty rubber blade provides 100% streak-free results. The durable, stainless steel construction is lightweight at only 7 pounds and provides strength for tough jobs. This pro-quality Squeegee attaches to Unger's professional dual-end aluminum pole, sold separately, for extended reach to clean high windows. It came with a smooth, flat rubber blade already installed and an additional replacement blade. It features a durable stainless steel construction, a high-quality rubber blade, and a comfortable handle. This Squeegee is versatile and can be used on windows, shower doors, mirrors, and more. It is also easy to clean. However, some customers have reported issues with squeaking and leaving behind drag marks, as well as difficulty in fully removing water spots. The lack of threading can limit the use of the Squeegee with other poles. Overall, it is a highly recommended tool that can make cleaning tasks efficient and easier. The long-handled window Squeegee head can rotate nearly 360 degrees. Easy to clean windows, no blind spots. Just pressing the button can rotate nearly 360 degrees. This 360-degree standard Squeegee can quickly help you clean and remove hair, water, dirt, and more from all directions. Must-use product for smart drivers and households. With 10 inches non-slip handle. It helps in wiping car windshields and doing household chores. This long-handled window Squeegee for home features high-quality rubber that closely fits the glass surface, allowing you to achieve a matte, glossy effect. It has long-lasting stain-removing properties. Third in our list is Acer Professional Window Squeegee. Made of natural soft rubber and high-quality sponge, this Squeegee window cleaner can better clean the dirt on your windows without damaging the glass surface. Effective scrubbing and scraping high and low windows, it is a must-have cleaning tool for your home. For house window cleaning, car windshield Squeegee, cleaning glass doors, mirrors, shower glass, tiles and any other smooth surfaces, perfect Squeegee for window cleaning in the holiday cleaning and spring cleaning. Made of high-quality aluminum, the extension pole is sturdy and durable, offering a length of 20 to 30 to easily scrub all parts of general windows and car surfaces. The head of the extension pole has a pop-up buckle design for individual removal and easier storage. Press the button to change the position of window squeegee. This is ideal for non-standard windows and panes. Also ideal for cleaning glass, windows, shower glass doors, wall, mirrors, vehicle glass, solar panel, indoor and outdoor high window cleaning. The window squeegee cleaning tool measures 9.8 inches wide window squeegee and 9.8 wide soft rubber blade with a nylon netted bug sponge and 56 non-slip handle. Since this squeegee is all-purpose product, it can be perfectly used as shower door squeegee, car windshield squeegee, and window cleaning squeegee. Suitable for house window cleaning, cleaning shower glass, mirrors, car windshield squeegee, cleaning glass doors, tiles, and any other smooth surface, perfect squeegee for window cleaning. One essential cleaning tool in your family, the best choice for holiday cleaning and spring cleaning. Number 4 in our best window squeegee list is Acer Squeegee Window Cleaner. This is ideal for non-standard windows and panes. Also ideal for cleaning glass, windows, shower glass doors, wall, mirrors, vehicle glass, solar panel, indoor and outdoor high window cleaning, marine and boat squeegee. Microfiber cloth is used to remove stubborn stains, chenille cloth is extremely absorbent and quickly cleans the window surface, and 2 free pieces of cloth for backup. This 2-in-1 professional window cleaning tool, streak-free squeegee. The window washer squeegee with flexible head is the perfect window washing tool to efficiently scrub and squeegee your high and low windows. 2 streak-free squeegee blades are included, 10 and 14, to fit varying window sizes. The squeegees slide in and out of a tightly fitting firm plastic clasp to ensure stability. Press the button to change the position of the window squeegee. The upgraded version of the detachable 4-section thickened aluminum extension rod can effectively avoid the pressure of the telescopic rod on the arm, reduce the labor weight. By adding and reducing aluminum rods, the length can be controlled up to 62-inch. Simply link the safety buckle without rotating. Easily clean shower and car doors, windows, tile, mirrors, bathroom, marble counter and washstand, kitchen, decks, patios, windshields, and many other surfaces with the versatile squeegee. Remove soap scum, lime scale, and other sources by using this squeegee for shower glass doors and other surfaces. Pair it with your favorite household cleaner to reveal surfaces that shine. Our last pick is Mightium Window Cleaning Squeegee. This glass windows cleaning squeegee tool comes with microfiber cloth, chenille cloth, groove brush and wipe, ideal for cleaning glass, windows, shower glass doors, wall, mirrors, car windows, indoor and outdoor high window cleaning, vehicle glass, solar panel, marine and boat squeegee. This squeegee shower cleaner has an ergonomic design with a lightweight handle and plastics blade that make it easy to use and provide quick drying action for efficient cleaning and quick drying. Used to convenient and efficient for indoor and outdoor. The brush head can be detached and used separately. This 5 feet extension pole long handle, it is made up of 4 extension rods, you can adjust the length according to your needs. Suitable for different heights glass windows, keep your windows and screens very clean. Comfortable handle allows you to hold without getting tired when working, and the whole design allows you to hang it to save space. This shower squeegee is easy to use and store with waterproof hooks, allowing for quick access and convenient storage in almost any location. The glass shower squeegee is made of high-quality TRP and silicone blade, which provide years of durability. It is versatile and can be used indoors or outdoors on many hard surfaces, with easy and resistance-free cleaning.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!